world, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Today I want to show you this. Okay, should you order things from AliExpress if you live in South Africa? Okay, first I'm going to show you what it is, then we're going to get into the bad, and then into the good. Okay, so what did I order? I ordered these things. Now it came in two separate batches. If you see those little pins over there, it's little Torx screws / pins that work with these guys. So you remove the pins and you can put these on, and then you can take them apart and add layers and swap layers and do things like that easier. Okay, then I got this little pocket clip for a Victorinox knife. Then I also got some titanium alloy scales for a Victorinox knife. And then I got one liner, because I broke a liner on one I took apart when I started to do this thing, but apparently this liner is titanium, so I will have one titanium liner in a knife. And then I became clever and I saw this thing where you get the pins for this. Is, do you see there's different lengths? The top ones are a bit shorter than these ones. That's for 2-layer, that's for a 3-layer knife. This is a 3-layer knife. 1, 2, 3. Do you see that? Okay, so now then I got this stuff which gives us the pins, some Ultem scales with an attached pocket clip. And do you see it's not the normal clip-on scales like these plastic ones that just fit over the top. They have holes in them, so you screw the whole thing together like that, which means everything can now be taken apart with Torx bits. Very, very cool. Okay, so I ordered this stuff and I got it way quicker than they initially said I would get it. I think I got it in like 2 weeks, maybe less, so that was quite nice. AliExpress do not use the post office anymore, so they use this place called Speed AF. I'm not sure what their AF stands for, but normally when we put AF behind something, it says something different. Or maybe that was just the Chinese translation for very quick. Okay, so Speed AF brought all of this stuff to my house, but like I said, in 2 separate packages. I think it was like that, and then these on their own. Okay, now the bad thing. I paid whatever I paid for this, but I paid about, the way I worked it out, 41% in customs and import taxes. Okay, so it's almost half that I had to pay again to get this stuff to my house. Okay, so that's quite bad. Okay, but now the good thing. You cannot find these things in South Africa, and everything that I have here was way cheaper, even with the 41% extra that I paid. So AliExpress in my book is quite nice. Okay, one more bad thing. Once you're on their emailing list, those guys mail the life out of you. Every day you wake up with like 20 new emails from them. So you have to fight to unsubscribe from that again. Okay, unlike this channel, please subscribe to this. Okay, so anyway, if you are in South Africa and you have not given AliExpress a try, do it. But I would start with something small just to see how it works for you before you leave a bundle of money and then something goes wrong. Okay, because I have seen old reviews where they say some things didn't come or what. But please, as with all of these online things, when you buy things, make sure you know what you are actually buying. Check the dimensions, check everything. Make sure that they say 91 millimeters and it will actually fit on your 91 millimeter knife. So make sure that you check what they say in the descriptions. Okay, that's me. Very quick video for today. It will pick up from now. All of you stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Goodbye.